Introducing the 2002 Mazda Protege 5. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Mazda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.